We've often talked about what really was Ferrari's heritage. How did the marque become so famous? And that all culminated with this car, the 250 short wheelbase, because this was the true dual-purpose GT. In other words, a car that you could drive to the track, race, win, and drive it home. It was civilized yet incredibly fast and an amazing performer. I'm Winston Goodfellow, an award-winning writer, photographer, and author, a judge at a number of the world's top concours, and today I'm here with one of my all-time favorite cars, the 250 short wheelbase. To show the high regard within which this Ferrari was held back in the day, when it was tested by Sports Car Illustrated, which became Car and Driver magazine, in October of 1960, they said this car had the finest engine in the world and proclaimed it at the end of 1,200 miles of testing, the finest sports car they had ever driven. So this particular Ferrari, chassis number 3337 GT, was originally ordered by Steve Earle, who later became known as the father of the Monterey Historic Races. Interestingly, it had larger carburetors, so it was slightly hotter than the standard 250 short wheelbase street version. And it was also ordered in this color, which is grigio concilio. And then it went through a series of top collectors. For instance, Chip Connor, who's one of the most highly regarded collectors in the world. After the owner had the car restored, it hit the show circuit again, where it was winning major awards. For instance, it got second in class at Pebble Beach. It was platinum when it was reshown at Cavallino, and it scored 100 points at the Ferrari National Meet. And the reason is its history is squeaky clean. There's nothing you have to worry about like replaced engines. It's got the original coachwork, the original drivetrain, original chassis. But in my opinion, the best thing of all is how it drives. Let's go find out what that's all about. This is where short wheelbases are fantastic, because I felt the car come alive, and everything now is lighter on its feet. It's like my analogy of a great athlete limbering up. Listen, and she's pulling stronger, more smoothly. Brakes are better, steering's a little lighter, suspension's more supple, everything's responding more briskly. And the entire time the car's saying, go faster. And even when I don't want to go faster, it's saying, go faster. And it's constantly egging me on. And that's where these things are fantastic. It's absolutely brilliant. Just right now, it's just saying, go, go. And now I can go. That's what you get these things for, is that sound coming out of the turn, feeling the rear set down a little bit. It's just the best. This is like 3D art. Imagine being able to step into the painting water lilies and feel the breeze and smell the flowers. That's what you get to do with one of these great art pieces.